Gently lift excess oil with this pH-balanced, aloe vera-based gel cleanser. Removes makeup and impurities without harsh chemicals or leaving any residue. Which Hazel cleanses without stripping the acid mantle, the skin's protective barrier. Hand-selected herbs and oils keep your pores clear and skin refreshed. Key ingredients: lemon balm, rosemary, witch hazel, NeemBenefits, RevitalizesCleansespH. BalancedSuitable for oily skin combination. SkinFor Best Results. Use M/PM. Apply to damp skin, massage into face, rinse. For deeper exfoliation, use with bamboo face brush. Balance oily and combination skin. Sometimes one-size-fits-all cleansers aren't enough. The key to managing oily and combination skin is balance. This helps tackle everyday issues like the appearance of large pores and oily T-zones. Revitalizing, cleansing, pH balancing. Gently lift excess oil with this pH-balanced, aloe vera-based gel cleanser. Removes makeup and impurities without harsh chemicals or leaving any residue. Which Hazel cleanses without stripping the acid mantle, the skin's protective barrier. Hand-selected herbs and oils keep your pores looking clear and skin refreshed. Formulated to specifically help balance oily skin. Better ingredients, better results, paraben-free, alcohol-free, transparent labeling and 100% honesty. No artificial colors, scents, or GMO-sourced ingredients. Handcrafted in small batches. We research, curate, infuse, and combine our carefully sourced ingredients to create the most effective skincare possible. Your daily ritual, use in the morning and at night. Apply to damp skin, massage into face, and rinse. For deeper exfoliation, use with a facial brush. We've made this with our oil and combination skin customers in mind, so it is not recommended for those with dry or sensitive skin. Organic and WILDCRAFTED. Annmarie Skin Care products are naturally formulated, with organically grown and wild-crafted ingredients. We work with small farmers and innovative chemists to offer you the most potent, handcrafted botanical products available. Our products are sustainably packaged, cruelty-free, and made in the U.S.A. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below.